so today, whoa, wrong step. We're gonna clean these steps. So you can see we clean this side's dirty. So first, we are going to spray some all-purpose cleaner, mild soap, scrub it. We got a horsehair brush. This is from a Clydesdale, actually. Just kidding. So the thing about the entryway on an aircraft, it's that first impression. I know I've blown the first impression with all you guys, let's be honest here. But at least these guys have a chance, right? So we're gonna spray it. Oh my gosh, come on. There we go. So we're gonna spray and scrub. To give you an idea, this entry door is kind of like your, they put it in boats. It's called Tough Deck, I guess. That could be it, I could be wrong. But we're gonna scrub it. It just gets in, it's at an angle, so it just gets in everything with all these Clydesdale horsehairs. Obviously, we've got gloves on, respirator, because we're blasting with the tornador. We're gonna flush it out with water, so that way it's not slippery with our soap. Blast it out with water out of this, and then we'll shut it off and dry it. There you have it. So we'll just clean up the area over here, but as you can see, all clean. Pretty simple. Thanks, guys.